have a kinetics problem before us. It states a first order reaction has a rate constant of 3 times 10 to the negative 3 per second. The time required for the reaction to be 75% complete is dun dun dun. So the one thing that I'm going to fish out is that we have a first order reaction, and this is the equation that corresponds to first order reactions. So we have the natural log of our final concentration, which we're gonna have to figure out because we're not really given the information straight away. So the reaction is 75% complete. So I'm looking for what is incomplete. So we have 100 minus 75 will give us the 25% is still incomplete and still there. So we're also not given a initial concentration, so we're gonna assume that the initial concentration is 1. So 25% of 1 is 0.25, and then our initial concentration, like we said, is gonna be 1, and we're gonna equal that to the negative k, which is our constant. So 3.00 times 10 to the negative 3 per second. And we have time here, and that's what we want to isolate, or what we want to solve for. So our calculator here, the natural log of 0.25, and well, you can do divided by 1, but I mean, we know that divided by 1 is 0.25. So we have here, we have negative 1.386, so we know that the natural log, or this, is equal to negative 1.386 is equal to the negative 3 times 10 to the negative 3 per second times time. We're going to want to isolate that time, so we're going to divide by the 3 times 10 to the negative 3 per second. So then this, we want to divide this, and I'm going to put parenthesis here, negative 3 times 10 to the negative 3, and that gives us 400, so time is equal to 462 seconds. And in our answer choices, it is right here.